Hello, I'm Storm Tracker 18 Weather Chief Meteorologist Matt Schaefer. As of 6 o'clock this evening, a good amount of rain has fallen, generally centered on the Chippewa Valley, where the heaviest totals are near an inch at the Eau Claire Chippewa Valley Regional Airport, over an inch, near an inch and a third in Menominee at Score Field, and 65/100ths of an inch in our rain tube on the south side of Eau Claire at our studio. Totals near or above an inch and should tack a bit lower off to the north. You can see the outer areas a bit less, especially the east and southeast, as well as the southwest towards Red Wing. But everywhere else is doing at least all right, at least a third of an inch in most of western Wisconsin. But if you didn't get a lot of rain, there's more on the way, along with some severe chances. The first chances tonight, that's for all of the area. Tomorrow's outlook is highlighted here in green. It's the same category tonight for all of western Wisconsin. Tomorrow's category is a little further east, but they're both on the lowest end of the scale. It's a non-zero severe thunderstorm risk, but it's not high. It means that an isolated severe thunderstorm cannot be ruled out. Weak tornadoes, perhaps, along with straight line wind gusts. Small hail is actually lower in risk category because of how warm it is in the upper levels. The hail melts easier, but the risk tomorrow for the afternoon is something we'll be watching in addition to tonight's risk, but nonetheless, more beneficial rain will fall in addition to those small severe chances, so it's mostly good news, and there's a decent chance that it stays as just rain and some general thunderstorms through the morning, scattered again tomorrow with afternoon rounds popping up again. That's when that severe risk is before it all clears out tomorrow night. And by Saturday, it's going to be a mix of sunshine and clouds. How much cloud cover and sunshine we get will determine how warm we get. But if it does warm up closer to 90 degrees, we'll likely pop up some showers, maybe thunderstorms in the afternoon and evening. If it stays a little cooler, and by cooler I mean mid-80s, which is still fairly warm and humid, will likely stay dry on Saturday. But nonetheless, between now and Saturday morning, ½ inch to an inch or more is likely through much of the Chippewa Valley and areas to the northwest. To the southeast, 1/4 to 3/4 of an inch additional rain from what we've already gotten is still a pretty good number. So in addition to that, it stays humid overnight and a low near 64 with those showers and thunderstorms likely through the night. More likely in the morning tomorrow, but it's going to be scattered and getting a little more isolated as the day goes on. But with those isolated storms in the afternoon, any storms that do form could certainly be on the strong side, and that south wind continues to bring up warmer temperatures and more humidity. Puts us in the upper 80s Saturday. Again, can't rule out a 90-degree high, but it depends on the sunshine, and there's that slight chance of pop-up showers and storms if it does warm up a little bit more. Better chances of rain return Saturday night and last on and off through Monday, perhaps even Tuesday. Staying on the warm side, but we do cool down a bit towards the middle and second half of next week. More mild air, but generally speaking, more beneficial rain on the way, especially over the next 4 or 5 days.